Hi everyone, this is going to be an amazing, incredible day. Today we are going to tackle about conic sections. Objective: creatively discuss the difference among the four conic sections. But first, ano nga ba ang tinatawag na conic section? Conics or conic sections are figures formed by the intersection of a plane and a right circular cone. Sa araw-araw nating pamumuhay, ay encounter na natin ang mga conic section nito. Tingnan ang mga nasa larawan. Depending on the angle of the plane with respect to the cone, a conic section may be a circle, an ellipse, a parabola, or a hyperbola. When the cutting plane is inclined at an angle with horizontal and cuts all the elements of one of the cones, an ellipse is formed. Kung mapapansin mo, nakatagilid ang ating cutting plane at hindi siya parallel sa ating generator, as well as dun sa base natin. Kaya nag-form siya ng ellipse. When the cutting plane is perpendicular to the axis of the cone, a circle is produced. Sa circle natin ay para rin siyang ellipse. Hindi siya parallel sa anumang generator, pero parallel siya sa base natin at perpendicular sa axis ng cone. Kaya kung titingnan nyo sa taas, ay magpo-form siya ng circle. When the cutting plane is parallel to an element, the resulting curve is a parabola. Kung meron tayong double right circular cone, ang ating cutting plane ay dapat mag-intersect sa isang part lang, let's say sa lower nut ng ating cone, and dapat parallel siya sa isa lamang na generator to form a parabola. If the cutting plane both parts of the cone at very angle, the section is a hyperbola. This time, ang cutting plane ay mag-intersect sa upper at lower nut at kailangan ay parallel sa dalawang generator to form a hyperbola.